Welcome everyone. What are you doing this Monday evening? How'd your work week start off? I hope it started off amazing. So if you pop on here, tell me where you're watching from. I just got done a little bit ago teaching foundation training. Woohoo! So before I get on my new love, which is a Peloton bike, it's so important to keep moving. So comment below and tell me what movement, that you did today, whether it was just like simply walking, just something for yourself, guys. I mean, it's so important to get that movement in, no matter whether it's a hike, a run. It was super nice here today. So, I got a nice run in, and I'm going to hop on my bike here in a little bit to get a nice cardio workout in. So again, just comment below, tell me where you're watching from, and tell me what type of movement you got in today. Movement is so important. So Mother's Day is just around the corner, so I wanted to hop on here, and it means so much more if we just do something from our heart. So I wanted to hop on here and teach you all how to make a super amazing, it smells delicious, a sugar scrub. So it's so important to take care of your skin. So this is going to be super simple. So all you need is some sugar, and we're going to make a berry sugar scrub. So I got some freeze-dried strawberries, and then also some freeze-dried blueberries. And I simply hopped on Amazon and got that there. So if you can't find it locally, just hop on Amazon, or maybe you know some local people that sell it. Always support the local people is what I believe. I don't know anyone that's local that sells it, so if you're local and you sell it, please let me know, so I would much rather support you guys. So, strawberries, blueberries, and fractionated coconut oil is all the ingredients, and of course the essential oils, and I'll go over that. But simple, it's just take a cup of sugar. Super simple. And this actually feels incredible. Years ago, when we actually had a girls trip in the Bahamas, and we went out to this Italian restaurant, and literally there was this sugar scrub in the bathroom that we all just fell in love with. I actually had to buy some right then and there, but this sugar scrub, that I actually know what's in it, it just leaves your hands feeling amazing. So a cup of sugar, and simply, so what we need is 1/4 cup of dried strawberries. So I like to make it a little bit thinner, so I have this little hefty little, if you have a food processor, you can throw it in there, but this is like a handheld, little food processor. You don't have to be exact on this. Just throw some strawberries in there. And the neat thing about this is it just crumbles up. If you don't have it small enough, it literally just crumbles up when you put it onto your hands. But I like to make it a little bit smaller. And again, like I said, you don't have to be exact. And this is so super cool. You just literally, and if y'all don't like to chop onions, I love it because I do not like to chop onions. This is super simple for onions. So a little bit smaller. I'm going to need a little bit more in there. Like I said, it doesn't have to be exact, but these strawberries smell incredible. Again, a couple cranks on that. Okay. And that's voila. And we just need 1/4 cup of this. And if it's a little bit more than 1/4 cup, it's all right. It's just going to smell incredible. So we're just going to dump all that on there. It's just a little bit more than 1/4 cup. Again, you do not have to be exact. You're the chef. You're the cook. So, and then what we're going to do is, these are the blueberries. I'm going to do about 1/2 cup of the blueberries. You just pour those in there. Put the lid back on. And you just give it a couple pulls. Again, food processor works great as well. One of my clients actually gave me this, and I fell in love with it. A couple more pulls. Especially when you have something like super simple. Doesn't hurt you much. Pull that out of there. Half a cup. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit more. If any of y'all have any questions, please let me know. It's always fun to like be creative and just do, just play around. That should be enough. So again, tell me what you're doing. Say hi, give me some love. What kind of movement have you done today? And we have to be smarter than the thing. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, I have to get this off here. Bear with me just a second. I got this on there crooked, so it's a little hard to get off. Okay, always hot water. So have anyone ever made their own sugar scrub? Hot water works wonderful. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the rest in here. Just pour that in there. And set that aside. And then simply, I already have it measured out. I got 3/4 a cup of fractionated coconut oil. You can use olive oil. You can use grapeseed oil. It's actually really great for the skin. Avocado oil. So if you have something around the house that you want to use, feel free to use that. Okay. So we're just going to mix this up. And literally, this already smells incredible. You got the berries in there, and it literally smells incredible. And when this sets, the olive oil or the fractionated coconut oil or the grapeseed oil is actually going to set down at the bottom. So simply, you just, stir it up. And okay, so that's basically it. So now we're going to add some essential oils. So, since it's berry, I'm adding some passion. It's just going to add to the aromatic benefit. So I'm going to do about 5 drops. And then I'm going to actually add a few oils that's actually going to be really good for your skin. 4, 5. And these oils are also going to be good for your skin that's already in the passion. I'm just adding a little bit extra. Where I'm a massage therapist, if any of you all follow me, I have a real problem. My skin has become super sensitive. So I always love to add geranium, because if I have like an outbreak of being in the water too much, or working on too many people and my hands just getting out of control and it gets really painful, so geranium is literally the only oil that pulls me out of it. So I just add a couple drops. So if you have any issues with your feet or your hands, add the geranium and you are going to notice a huge difference. So I also want to add this Jarrow Calm, because it is amazing on the skin. And for those of you that have not tried this on your face routinely, it is literally incredible. I'm going to do, we'll do like 4 drops in this. I'm going to do actually a video on Yarrow Pom. It's like literally incredible. I like to take Yarrow and Blue Tansy twice a day on my face, and what it does for my face is just like incredible. You know, some of us we have that vanity. So, you know, if you have those lines or wrinkles that you're not really happy with, the Yarrow Pom and Blue Tansy are going to be the two oils that I love to use. Okay, super easy, and that's how quick it is. It does not take any time at all to make this amazing berry sugar scrub. So exfoliate anywhere that you want on your body. I really love to do my hands just because I work with my hands all the time. And this literally is what it's going to look like. I just always like to store it in a glass container because it has the essential oils in there and it's sealed tight. So literally you can store that. And I found these super cute little spoons at Kroger's that is perfect. So if you don't have a spoon handy, you can literally use these little, go to Kroger's, you can find these little like cute spoons, or if you have any, and literally you can just open it up and scoop it out. And just, you know, literally, it takes very little. You just scoop it out, rub it into your hands, and scrub it in really good, exfoliate your skin, and you will be amazed on how well and how incredible your hands and feet or any other wear on your body that you would like to exfoliate. So super fun. Make something for, you know, a loved one. Make it for yourself. You want to have like a little spa experience, you know, throw some essential oils on it. You don't know what the essential oils will do, you know, hit me up. I will help you and educate you in your journey with essential oils. And again, you know, guys, it's about purity and potency on any type of oils. So if you want the full health benefit of essential oils, make sure you get an oil that they test their oils. We actually test our oils over 54 different ways. We just keep on up in how many different ways that we actually test our oils. So we want to set a standard for essential oils. So not all oils are the same. So if you would like to learn even more about it, and I just love to do fun stuff, you know, teach people how to use the oils. And I will also be going over some more serious stuff as well on, you know, how you take care of yourself using essential oils and your family and friends and loved ones. Again, give me some love, share my video, and if you'd like to learn, you know, other ways to pamper yourself and pamper your friends and loved ones, just hit me up, leave me a message. And again, I hope you're having a great Monday evening, and I'm actually going to go upstairs and get on my bike. So I will talk to you guys soon. Again, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye.